Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is Rigex tablet 10 mg, which is commonly used as an anti-allergic medicine. Rigex contains cetirizine hydrochloride, a well-known antihistamine. It works by blocking a chemical in the body called histamine, which is responsible for allergy symptoms like itching, sneezing, and runny nose. Uses of Rigex tablet: doctors prescribe Rigex tablet for seasonal allergies such as sneezing, runny, or blocked nose; skin allergies including itching and rashes; hives, urticaria; red, watery eyes; allergic rhinitis, sometimes for allergy due to insect bites. Dosage of Rigex tablet. The usual adult dose is 10 mg once daily. It can be taken with or without food. Children above 6 years may also take it, but in a lower dose as prescribed by the doctor. Do not take more than the recommended dose. Benefits of Rigex tablet: relieves sneezing, itching, and watery eyes, controls skin rashes and hives, works quickly and provides long-lasting effect, causes less drowsiness compared to older antihistamines. Side effects of Rigex tablet. Common side effects include mild drowsiness or sleepiness, dry mouth, headache, tiredness. Rare but serious side effects may include allergic reaction like swelling, fast heartbeat, difficulty in breathing. If such reactions occur, stop the medicine and seek medical help immediately. Precautions: avoid alcohol while taking Rigex, as it can increase drowsiness. Patients with liver or kidney problems should consult their doctor. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should only use it if prescribed. Do not drive or operate heavy machinery if you feel sleepy after taking it. Summary: Rigex tablet 10 mg is an effective anti-allergy medicine that helps in seasonal allergies, skin rashes, hives, and allergic rhinitis. It works by blocking histamine and provides quick and long-lasting relief. Always use it with proper medical guidance.